I wanted peace. When they killed my brother, everything inside me died too.
When we were small, life was simple. Me and Akko, we no get much, but we had each other. We grew up by this water. We played here. We bathed here. We learned how to fish here. Akko always laughed. He believed the world was kind, even when the world no show us kindness. Our father used to say, as long as this river dey flow, una go survive. And we believed him. We believed this place would always protect us.
Akko, no worry. One day we go make out this creek and live a good life and take care of Papa and Mama.
I was the older one, so I tried to be strong. But Akko, he was the light, the soft heart. Anytime I vex, he was the one that calmed me down. The morning was quiet. I just wanted to fish with my brother and mind my life. No noise, no trouble, just peace. Back then, I still believed peace was possible.
Bro, today big fish go show and we must catch something.
Akko always believed that. He had hope I lost a long time ago. We threw our net and waited. But there was no fish, only black oil floating on the water. The creek was dying and nobody cared. Not the companies, not the men in government. Nobody.
What if this creek in place no return to normal?
Bro, no worry. We go survive.
That was the last peaceful morning we ever had, because that same day, everything changed. A big company barge entered our creek like they owned it.
Hey, get out of the way! Get out of the way! Hey, move your boat!
Killing our fish, poisoning our water, stealing our life.
Clear road. Company get license.
License no be permission to kill people future.
Before I knew it, one of them pushed me with a paddle. I hit the water. Dirty, black, toxic, and nobody even flinched. That was the moment something broke in me. I knew silence would finish us all, one by one. So I chose a different road. I gathered 11 men who were tired of begging. Men who had nothing left to lose.
Oga, we don't reach. Oh yeah, move that toward down. Nobody shoots until I talk so. Oh yeah, move. Stay low and move fast. They're watching. This ends tonight.
Tired of begging. Tired of watching our home collapse. When we hit that vessel, I wasn't thinking of glory. I wanted the truth. I wanted someone to feel what we felt. We moved fast, and we took Isaka, the man who sold our future for his own pocket. Isaka, the local government chairman, had always been behind every crude oil theft and corruption. He smiled while he said it, because men like him believe they are untouchable.
Orev says the untouchable Honorable Isaka. How they now?
He told me nothing would change. He smiled, like we were jokes to him. But I didn't care about his smile. All I wanted was justice, even if it cost me everything. They steal, they lie, and they sleep well at night. I swore I would break that system, even if it broke me first. Then the night betrayed us. Soldiers came. Chaos came.
This is Alpha Team. We're in position. Over.
but I didn't see what was coming next. They ambushed us in the creek. Bullets everywhere, shouting, fear.
Left fork! Make you now hold your lines.
Bullets everywhere. Bullets everywhere. And then I heard Akko's voice. Weak, shaking. I held him in my arms. I held him. Somehow and miraculously, I don't know how it happened, but I made it out of the ambush. I managed to carry Akko to a shoreline jetty, and I swear at that time, I thought me and my brother had made it out alive, but he was fatally hit from the back.
Akko, stay with me, look my eye. Akko, stay with me, look my eye. Make him cap, bro! No, bro! Dad! Dad!
And I watched the life leave his eyes. My brother, my blood. I wanted to scream, but nothing came out. That night, something inside me died too. But I still had one thing left. The truth.
Roof gets small network. 8%. 16.
On the night of the ambush, I instructed some crew members make them carry Isaka go another location. We no really come rob the vessel. We came for Isaka. We climbed the rooftop and sent everything to the world. All the videos, all the proof, all the evil, all their secrets.
Even if you upload it and break me down, another me will rise tomorrow. The system is bigger than you.
Maybe, but at least tomorrow, nobody will pretend not to know. Sometimes exposing the darkness is the only light we have left. Kaiso, for the location where we keep him, we interrogated him and made him confess on tape. I swear, Isaka na a very bad man.
I did it. I'm so sorry for everything. I was wrong, so wrong. Yes, I am corrupt. I did it. I extort money and all that.
Because the world need know the kind person this man be. I don't care what happens to Isaka, but I cared more for people knowing what's happening. The video spread. People shouted. People argued. Some called us heroes. Some called us criminals. But at least, the silence was broken. If they ask what I regret, I'll say nothing. If they ask what I lost, I'll say everything. But I refuse to die quiet. And if my voice still lives, then my brother does too. And for all I have in mind, this is just the beginning.